Hey guys, I have another video for you. This is how to access our online textbook. We've used it before in class, but because we're moving into some new units on Rome and then eventually the Middle Ages, we're going to be accessing this online textbook a little bit more. It has some really cool resources for you that I think will be super helpful. So I want to make sure you know how to get to it. So you're going to start on your Rapid Identity homepage. That's your my.ncedcloud.org page right here. So make sure that you access it through here. Remember in class we called it the little yellow tomato. So if you need a refresher, that's what I called it when we were in class using it. It's this one right here. It's the HMH Ed app. It's got the little yellow smiley face. It looks like a little yellow tomato. And then it says Ed next to it. When you click it, it's going to open up our online textbook. You want to make sure when you open it that you are in the one that says World Civilizations. So if you see right here in my corner, it says World Civilizations. Yours is going to look a tiny bit different from mine because yours is going to be the student view, but you still want to make sure you're under World Civilizations. Ancient Rome is going to be under Module 10, so you just click on it. If you accidentally click on the wrong module, yours will open to your student book. If you accidentally click on the wrong module for some reason, up here in this little content section in the corner, you have access to all the different modules for the World Civilizations book and all the different lessons. So you can click on those. Remember, it will play audio for you. It'll read it to you. You can take notes. You can review. There's lots of really cool resources. So this is the one we're going to be using for right now. So if you see where I have told you to log into our online textbook, the HMH Ed app, that's how you access it. Remember, you have to access it through the Rapid Identity homepage, just like Discovery Ed, just like PowerSchool, just like Canvas, but it's this one right here, the little yellow tomato. So hopefully that's helpful, and let me know if you have questions. Take care, guys.